We saw designs of the Galaxy S24 series that look like they belong to the real thing. They showed the different colors that will be available and a lot of changes to the designs of even the basic models. Coming out on January 18, 2024, South Korean time, or January 17, 2024, in San Jose, California, the Galaxy AI-powered S24 series. The live show will take place there. There will be a lot of AI features, and one of them is a new call translation tool that will make it easy to talk to people, even if they speak a language other than your own. Ramster is the name of a new feature that is coming soon. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in the Galaxy is being used, along with its AI features to improve the picture's quality and resolution. If you don't already know, Samsung is trying to do something different with this. The Galaxy S24 line will have a 24-megapixel resolution by default instead of a 12-megapixel resolution. If you swipe up on a Galaxy S24, you'll see three options: Portrait, Widescreen, and Delete. Two things are coming to the supermodel. The first is an ND filter. For now, this function will only be available on RAW photos. It's also not clear if it will be added to other models, but at the very least, it will be added to the Ultra model. The next change is that all S24 phones will be able to take 24-megapixel shots by default, up from 12 megapixels. If this is the default resolution, then shutter lag will be much less, and the photos will have a lot more details than 12-megapixel photos taken by any other phone, including Samsung phones. This means that you don't have to take 50 or 200-megapixel photos just to get more details while using up more space. Samsung is now going to call this whole line of Galaxy S24 phones powered by Galaxy AI. It will have a lot of AI features. For example, you will be able to draw a circle on anything on the screen, and it will look for it automatically. Also, the basic voice record can now recognize up to 10 different voices, which is pretty cool. All of this will show up in the transcriptions, which is great for people who use voice recording in meetings or other situations. You can now use the AI-generated wallpapers tool if you want wallpapers with certain colors or things. You can also get weather effects and image depth effects from Samsung for the lock screen. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.